Please subscribe to Facetv Africa and turn the notification on. Facetv Africa, subscribe, hete.
Face TV. Muswobi.
Announcing the composition of the committees during plenary, the President of the Senate, Godswill Akpabio, also inaugurated a selection committee as well as that of appropriation. While the selection committee comprises of all the principal officers, Akpabio said the appropriation committee headed by Senator Solomon Adiola was set up in the event of an emergency supplementary budget that may arise from the executive. According to the state president, the Committee on Rules and Business will be headed by Senator Titus Zam, while Opayemi Bamidele is vice chairman. Senate Services has Senator Sunday Karimi as chairman, while William Jonah is his vice. Ethics and Privileges has Oke Ezea as chairman alongside Ibrahim Khalid, while Public Accounts has Aliu Wadada as chairman and Onyeka Nwa Ebonyi as vice chairman. Akpabio further named Baba Umar as chairman Senate Committee on Legislative Compliance and Asukwo Epeyong as vice, while the Committee on Media has Yemi Adaramodu as chairman and Salisu Afolabi as vice. The Senate President also announced Senator Ali Undume as vice chairman of the Senate Committee on Appropriation. The inauguration is in line with Senate standing rules, which empowers Parliament to within 14 days after inauguration sets up and aforementioned committees. Amaka Anyao reporting from Face TV Africa.
Godswill Akpabio, the Senate President as chairman, and the other members are Senator Jibril Barrow, the Deputy Senate President as vice chairman, Senator Bamidele, Senator Mohammed Alindume, Senator Mweze Umai, Senator Oyelola Ashiru, Senator Simon Makwom, Senator Oyewumi Olarere, Senator Darlington Wokocha, and Senator Rufai Sani Hanga. Committee on Rules and Business. This committee will have Senator Titus Tatgena Zam as chairman. Senator Yomi Kamarudin Olare will be the vice chairman. Senator Opeyemi Bamidele will be the vice chairman as stipulated by our rules of the Committee on Rules and Business. Committee on Senate Services. Distinguished Senator Sunday Steve Karimi will be the chairman, and Distinguished Senator Williams Echeng Jonah will be the vice chairman. Committee on Ethics, Code of Conduct, and Public Petitions. Distinguished Senator Okechukwu Ezea will be the chairman, and Distinguished Senator Khalid Ibrahim Mustafa will be the vice chairman. Committee on Public Accounts. Distinguished Senator Aliu Wadada Ahmed will be the chairman, and Distinguished Senator Onyeka Peter Mwebwe will be the vice chairman. Committee on National Security and Intelligence. Distinguished Senator Shehu Buba Omar will be the chairman, and Distinguished Senator Asukwo Ekpeyon will be the vice chairman. Committee on Legislative Compliance. Distinguished Senator Garba Musa Maidoki will be chairman, and Distinguished Senator Ide Dafinone Omoye. Committee on Media. Distinguished Senator Adaramodu Adeyemi Raphael will be the chairman, and Distinguished Senator Salisu Shuaibu Afolabi will be the vice chairman. In accordance with Senate Standing Order 95B as amended, under sundry matters and in anticipation of the possibility of receiving supplementary budgetary application, the Selection Committee has also resolved to set up the Committee on Appropriations. Distinguished Senators Adiola Solomon Olamileko will be the chairman, followed by Distinguished Senator Mohammed Ali Ndume as vice chairman. Any petitions? Leader of the Senate.
Please subscribe to Face TV Africa and turn the notification on. Face TV Africa, subscribe,
Face TV. Muswobi.